Welcome to another video of Python 3 tutorial. Right now I'm going to explain to you how to use elf and a while cycle. So in this case, in my last video, I created this def calculator, and then I asked you if you wanted to do an addition or subtraction. If you typed in add, then it's going to add, and if you printed anything else, well, it will do the subtraction by itself. But what happens if I want to add, for example, multiplication or a division? So that's what the elif is for. So which operation do you want? Then I can have here add, subtract, multiply, or divide. So what I'm going to do is I have here if operation equal to f, then I add. Here I'm going to change this a little bit to if operation is equal to subtract. Is equal to subtract. Then it's going to print x minus y. So it's telling me the elif here is going to give me another condition like if. It's important that if comes first because it's going to tell the program, okay, here goes some conditions, so take it easy and pay attention to the restrictions. And elif is like, okay, I'm still analyzing the data, so take it easy, okay? Type in elif again, operation equal to, and this time let's type in multiply. What happens is if I multiply, so I print, or do I print x times with an asterisk y. And if I want to divide, then to be equal to divide on. Always remember, the colon in Python is the most important part if you want to make some condition specific, some definitions of functions or values. You need to put it so it knows that the following are going to be regarding that aspect of the program. Okay, so here I'm going to print, and it's going to print what? Well, it's going to be x divided by y. Why do I here in the division, this is very important. This is going to give me the float value of the division. If I type in double, it's going to give me the integer division, or if I also put this one. But in this case, I don't want that. I want the exact value, the float value, so I'm gonna leave it like this, okay? Okay, so we're set in the elif, but what happens if I type in something stupid? Then it's the else. If I didn't type in add, subtract, multiply, or divide, my fifth option is going to be to get the value operation not supported. Operation not supported. And I almost forget that I need quotations to make it a text. So operation not supported because well, it actually is not supported. I didn't specify if I wanted to do a square root or if I wanted to have it to a certain degree, the number I provided. But those things can be done now with the elif if I want to. I just need the correct type, correct commands. Like first square root is like this, and to have something to a certain degree, it's with this double asterisk. But right now we're not interested in that. Let's just leave it simple, like this, in simple. And now this is the elif. What happens with the while? While I'm going to have here ask me if I want to continue. So string, so that I know it's the letters input, so that it knows that I'm going to provide some value. I'm gonna ask, do you want to do an operation like that? So remember here, question mark and space for statics purposes. If I don't have the space, and it's going to be all together, it's gonna look sloppy, so let's try to keep it nice, neat, simple. Now here I'm going to type in while this is, well, again equal to yes. Then what happens if again is yeah, I want to keep going? Then it's going to be it's going to run calculator. That means it's going to repeat the process. So let's save this. Save me x.py, and I have here already accessed my document. So I only need to type python space x.py. If you remember this part of here, the cd sig drive c users, it's the path to where I have this document saved. Enter calculator, give me a number. Let's stick to those of past video, 9, 9, and 10. Which operation do I want? I want addition. Do I want to do an operation? No. So I already got addition. It already took me out of the program. So let's run it again. 9 and 10. I want to subtract. There it goes. 89. Yeah, I want to run it again. So 99 and 10. What one? Let's multiply. 990. Okay. Do you want to do an operation? Yeah. And this is the last one. So what I want to do? I want to. First, 99 and 10, my numbers. 1 divided by it's, you see here, this is the string value 9.9. This 9.9 comes from here, from this operation. It's going to save it as the float value. That's why I got 9.9. If I had double slash, or if I had the percentage symbol, it will only give me 9. The integer part of the number, but the remainder, the modus is going to be lost. So this will be everything for today. Thank you very much for tuning in into one of my tutorials, and I'll be seeing you next time.